Aya, you want to open your present? Want to open your present? She's not in her head. Come here. Come here. Hold on. Here. Oh, here, hold it. Go over there. Go over there. Over there by the bed. Hold on. Here, this too. This is yours too. No. I'm recording it. What is it? What is it? What is it? She's looking at the money. What is it? Aya, who's that? She's like, I want money. I want the money. Who's that? Is that a chair? She ain't even listening. Who's that? Who's that?
Nemo.
Nemo? No, it's Elmo. It's Elmo. Say thank you, Smitty. Say it. Say thank you, Smitty. She hugging the Elmo. You want to put him on a chair? Is that where he goes right there? Babe, how do you turn it on? Here, look at Aya. Oh, she might freak out. Yeah.
Chair, Mommy. Mommy, wait.
Now what does he do? Like, how do you turn him on?
Chair, Mommy. Chair.
I turned that on, though. Then what? Did you just... She's like, what the heck? Hold his hand. What else do you squeeze? She's like, what the heck? She's looking at it. She's kind of scared. What's wrong? His foot? Press his foot, Avery. Push the feet, Avery. Push it.
I'm going to think of just the right story to tell you.
Whoa, he fell over.
Elmo fell down. Can you help Elmo up, please?
Pick him up, Aya. He fell down.
Thank you.
She threw him back on the floor.
Thank you. You're Elmo's best friend.
You're Elmo's best friend, Aya? Huh? She doesn't know where to push him, babe. Push his nose. Push his nose. Like this.
Excuse Elmo. Did you take Elmo's nose? Elmo knows it was here a minute ago.
Oh,
Elmo needs it back, please.
he's so cute. Huh, Aya? He's cute.
Elmo knows how to fix his nose.
What is he doing?
Thank you.
He's sneezed.
That's much better.
He's waving the money. He's waving the money. She didn't take the money off. See? Say thank you. She's scratching her. She's just confused. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you, Smitty.
Thank you, Smitty.
Say thank you, Smitty.
Thank you, Smitty.
Did you hear her? Look at you got a puzzle. Look at a puzzle. Hold on. Say thank you. Say thank you for the puzzle.
Your puddle.
She said thank you for the puddle. Say thank you for the money.
Thank you, Smitty.
Say thank you for the money.
Thank you for the money.
Say thank you, Smitty.
Thank you, Smitty.